How to log out Viber on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will show you how we can log out of your Viber account on desktop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Viber in your device. So if you're already logged in, navigate to your profile icon in the top left corner. Click on it. From this menu box, you have to click on Settings. Once you're on the settings, again from this pop-up box in your left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Once you're here, now you have to scroll down and head towards Deactivate Viber on desktop. It says deactivating will delete your conversation history and application data, but your conversation will still be available on the other Viber devices. So from here, click on Deactivate. Again, click on Deactivate. So once you do that, you are now logged out of your Viber account, but it will not delete your account. You will be still logged in into your Viber account in your mobile device. And that's it. That's how you can log out of Viber on your desktop. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.